What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another weekly video. Today we are installing another small mod to the car. What we're installing today, and this is kind of a weird product to have, but this is the Acuity Shift Boot Collar upgrade. Weird packaging as well, like this looks like medicine, like just from the packaging itself, or like some weird, I don't know, like, yeah, I don't know, it's weird. Anyways, but what this does, it basically gives your shift boot a collar. So your shift knob, your shift boot doesn't sag, things like that. Now, for a lot of you guys who have manual cars, this is not really that much of an issue. Most OEM manufacturers actually make a good shift boot collar, and you know, the shift boot stays on. However, in the S2000, as you can see, it is sagging. Now, I've already kind of like done what I can to like turn this, but like it just doesn't look really good. I would rather have my shift boot like, you know, like there. Now, there are a few other fixes for this. You can do things like put a washer down here, which is a little bit bigger than the opening of the shift boot, and so that'll keep it up here. Some people use a zip tie method, all that stuff. I didn't like that because then it looks like this, which is better but still a little funky. I like having the collar. The collar will like clean up the look a little bit, and so this specific collar is good for pretty much any car, actually, I think. So, oh yeah, compatible with most M10 by 1.5 threaded shifters. Alright, so there you go. That's exactly what this is. Generally speaking, a lot of that is going to be on most Hondas. So, we're going to do that today. First thing we need to do, we actually need to remove this. So I'm going to just take off the shift knob right there. Super easy. Put this into neutral, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pop this up. Super easy. Just boom, boom, like super easy. Now I'm gonna remove the cables that connect here. Not really gonna show you guys how to do it. It's like they're just plugs. Okay, so now that I've removed it, we're actually gonna be doing everything with this. Now, some would probably tell you, oh, just remove this trim and then take that. Nah, I'm honestly just going to do it like this, flip this around. So the way this works is here's our shift boot. Pull this all the way through, like there. Then what we're gonna do, open this up, and we'll put this in here, and I'll show you guys in a second. Okay, so opening this up, the collar. Now, the nice thing about this is actually it's reversible, so depending on the size of your shift knob and like how it is, this is a flat bottom, so this will go directly on top like that, or I think like boss bottom, I don't know, but like either way, they would both work. One side is actually good for the CTR knob, which is actually the knob I'm going to be getting, so I'm going to just make sure I know which side is for which. So this also comes with zip ties, so I'll show you how to use those. I'll put those up here. So, with the shift boot, what we want to do is we basically want to face it the direction that you want it to like point up, essentially. And we're going to essentially push it through to where it should fold. It'll be like this, right? It'll kind of look like this when we're done. So that's like way more clean. I like that a lot more. Now, as you can probably guess, what we're going to do is we're going to take our zip ties and we're going to like pinch it probably like right in the middle here and then right at the top to give it a good tight fit. And they gave us like 4 of them. I don't know if we need to use all 4. And I don't even know if these are long enough. The supplied zip ties might be a little too short, and it's just not long enough. Alright, so the zip ties that it comes with is just not really long enough for this shift boot specifically because it's just so thick. So I'm actually going to go to the hardware store real quick, and then I'm going to get some longer zip ties, and then we'll do this again. Alright, what's up guys? I'm back. I just picked up some zip ties. I got 5-inch cable ties and 8-inch. I wasn't sure if these were going to be long enough, so I got these just in case, but these might be too thick, so hopefully these will work. I also got myself some McDonald's because I'm hungry. Pointing. I'm going to just go ahead and go with the 8-inch cable tie. This is longer. This will definitely fit around. There we go. So that's on there like that. So now if I push this through, there you go. That should look just like that. So I'm gonna trim the cable tie off. Clippers. Cool. So that's off. Now, pushing this through again. Boom. Just like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead. So yeah, so it looks like this. And it should stay like that because of the zip tie. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together. I'll show you guys what it looks like. And there we go. Now, this part here, you're wondering, okay, well, what the hell was the adapter for? So now that that's on, this thing, it's pretty cool. This actually just pushes up and clicks. So now, you know, I probably could have tied that a little bit better, but it's okay. So now, you have this, and it just totally just stays like that. So whenever you're shifting, it just stays, and it looks more modern, and I like it. I like it a lot. You know, I probably could have done a better tie job, but honestly, like, it's really not a big of a deal. My OCD will probably eventually bother me, but it's okay because I'm actually going to be getting a new shift boot, a custom made one, so this doesn't bother me that much. I will do better on the next one, but the whole point is to kind of like get this on, and I like it. So, you know, it looks good. No more sag, even if you pull on it, put any weight on it. If you do, it just clicks off, and then you can remove the adapter, put on a new shift knob. So yeah, it's good. I like it a lot. So that's the Acuity Shift Boot adapter. So link in the description below. If you guys have a Honda or something that has a saggy shift boot, I definitely recommend one of these. It looks really good. It's way better than just a simple zip tie method. They're really not that expensive. I was willing to spend the extra, what, it was like $20 over a bag of zip ties to make it look nicer. So that's what I did. Stay tuned for the rest of the video because there's some more stuff coming up. Alright guys, we are here at Elite Performance. So they're definitely a great shop to come by. If you guys haven't already, please check them out. But we are going to be installing the Tanabe exhaust. It is actually in the trunk right now. So the nice thing about this exhaust is it was able to come apart into 4 pieces. Rather than like the mid pipe being like one huge long piece. So I was able to put it in the trunk, which is really, really nice. And I didn't have to drive top down all the way to Burlingame. As always, there's always a lot of nice cars here. Got a 2017 BRZ in red, which is a pretty rare color. Of course, we have the wide body. So good. So many nice cars. And there's mine. Eventually she'll be modded. Oh, look at this. MR2 Spider. Nice. Let's check this out. It's pretty nice. And another one. We're gonna just kind of wait inside and wait for them to get the exhaust done. I'm pretty excited to hear it. It's gonna be really, really good. I'm really excited because this one's gonna be a little bit lower, a little bit louder than the original Medallion Touring that I was gonna get. Yeah, the dual canister, I'm a little afraid it might be a little drony, but luckily because it's not gonna be super loud, I don't think it's gonna be as drony as, let's say, the MBRP will be, or was on the Focus. So, we'll see. No more Focus, no more BRZ. This is my new daily slash project. Yeah, it's one of my favorite cars ever. Sounds good. Alright guys, exhaust has been installed. Let's turn her on for the first time and see what she sounds like. This is the Tanabe Medallion Concept G. This is just in cabin. Nice. It's honestly not much louder than stock, and it sounds nice and low. Let's back out. Now that we're out, I'm gonna go ahead and drive home. I'm probably gonna get some lunch because I'm really hungry, and then I will show you guys a little bit more of the exhaust from the outside and inside the cabin, give a small review. But I'm pretty excited. I really like having an exhaust on my car now. So yeah, let's get going. I'm gonna get some food and then we'll do more of this. All right, what's up guys? We are done finally. It's kind of windy, so I kind of hope it's not too bad for the sound. But anyways, we're done installing, or rather, Elite has finished installing the exhaust. Let me show you guys. Yeah, them round tips, them dual canisters. So yeah, again, this is the Tanabe Medallion Concept G. So this is a little bit louder than their Medallion Touring. The Touring is a little bit quieter, and it's a little bit more on the stock-ish side. I went with the Concept G because I liked how it was a lower tone than the Medallion Touring, and it's a little bit louder, but really not by much. So driving it home on the freeway, it drones a little bit, probably at around 3,000 to 4,000 RPMs. That's kind of to be expected with a dual canister setup like this. Sorry if the wind noise is bad. But anyways, it's good. I really like it. It's not super loud. One thing that's really nice about having a convertible is the fact that you actually can hear what your exhaust sounds like outside of the car when driving it. So I think that's really awesome. It's a really nice bonus to having a convertible. But anyways, yeah, I'm not gonna keep this too long. I'm sure a lot of you guys just want to hear it, so I'm gonna show you guys. Here's a sound clip of the car start up, maybe a few revs. Tanabe Medallion Concept G. So yeah, that's it. Nothing too crazy. Good low tone, and yeah, it's a good sounding exhaust. I like it a lot. It's really cold, and the top's down. So I'm gonna go home now. I'm really hungry. I just got food. I got some Korean food because I love Korean food. So thank you very much, you guys, for watching. Subscribe, like this video. Let's exhausts are great. So I'm gonna be installing some more stuff in the coming weeks, and yeah, this car is starting to move along project really well, saving up for some really nice wheels. You guys will really like them, so hopefully I can get them sometime this year. If not, it's gonna be next year. Probably gonna go with coilovers first just to get the car lowered, and then we'll kind of go from there. But yeah guys, again, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. See you guys on the next video.